What you gonna buy with your stimulus check?
1,200, bro. I'm about some Burberry, nigga, some goddamn Da Vinci, some Fendi, boy. They stupid as hell. I been saving on my goddamn taxes, nigga.
What is up, Danny? I'm YouTube, and it's March 26th. So, happy Yeezy Foam Runner Day, also known as Air Max Day, and Nike is finally acknowledging Air Max Day. So we finally got a shoe that people have been wanting. This is the first time it's being retro since 2003, 2004. And let's just get right to the unboxing. So here we have them. Air Max 90 Bacons. These are so beautiful, man. So man, if I didn't get these sneakers, my entire day was gonna be upset. Just because I know the Yeezys were going to be impossible to cop, so I needed these to be on my list. And thankfully, I was able to get 2 pairs. Both in my size, so I can keep one on ice forever and wear one whenever I feel like it. Air Max 90s go well with everything, especially this colorway. It is just so beautiful, and you can't go wrong with it. So my biggest pet peeve about the sneaker so far, it's that it's reselling for around $300, and that's $160 over retail. Retail is beautiful. Retail is a nice $140, nice and cheap. For, like I said, for that cheap, I had to get 2. I honestly got 3 pairs, but I had to get one to my boy. But as I was saying, they're reselling for $300, and the quality control on them is dog shit. Jesus Christ, you would assume that that we did something wrong to Nike, honestly. But let me see if I can show you guys. So it's definitely going to be hard to pick up on camera, but the insole isn't even placed on the shoe properly. Like, the insole is too big for the sole. I'm not sure if the originals had this. I honestly thought they did, but these have like glitter marks on the shoe, and that looks like they've been worn, and they're brand new. But this pair is honestly way better than the second pair that I have. But let me show you guys that pair real quick. All right, since these are retro 2003, 2004, the original ones are reselling for like over $1,000. But let me show you guys the terrible quality control on these sneakers. So it looks like it's been worn already, kicked around, right? Look at the difference between those two, between the toe boxes on both of those sneakers. There's literal paint throughout the sneaker and scratch marks on both sides of the shoe. There goes that glitter bullshit I was talking about. It's hard to pick up on camera, but I promise you guys, it's all over the sole. The insole again does not fit on this sneaker either. You should tell the difference, because the other one was a 10.5. This is a 10. Insole does not fit, and I generally do not think that it would pass StockX authentication. Like, even when it comes off, like, there's still traces of like red paint. Every time I look at the sneaker, there's another flaw that I could find. But yeah, bro, that's just mind-boggling to me. That you would think I pay $140 for a sneaker, bro. It's I want to say it's good, but that's really not good, bro. There's cheaper sneakers like the Yeezy, like those Yeezy foam runners, that quality control is pretty good, and we won't see shit like this. But I don't know, maybe I'm crazy. Maybe for $140 this is how I'm supposed to get my sneakers, because I don't know, man. But this sneaker is so beautiful, pink air bubble. You can't hate this. I would tell you guys to buy this sneaker right now, because prices are definitely going to go up. This is just a classic sneaker, and it literally goes with everything. Even if you can't dress, bro, this sneaker will make your outfit. But I don't want you guys to spend over $300 for these sneakers, and you get a pair like this. Like, that's baffling to me, bro. But I mean, I'm going to sell them before I go and get a refund, to be honest. So if you, bro, look, if you go spend $300 on the sneaker, you might get my pair on StockX, to be honest. But enough chit chat. They come with two separate laces. Besides this cream lace, you get this red and this pink. They're beautiful. Don't switch the laces on them, guys. That shit is tacky as fuck. But yeah, not much else to say about this sneaker other than if you didn't cop these, I really feel so bad for you. And yeah, Kanye West is hilarious, bro. Kanye West was gonna release his foam runners on Saturday, but he changed the release date on them, and he did it. He released them on Air Max Day. So now the topic of discussion is the foam runners instead of these Bacons, which is a shame, man, because these are beautiful. But man, Kanye West, you're a funny guy, man. Like, comment, and subscribe. And before I sign off, let me just show you guys both pairs, because I always say that I have double or triple up of a sneaker, and I'm never able to show it because they're not here at the same time, but this time they are. So yeah, peace.
Ladies, maybe gonna work?
Hide the money, y'all. There's poor people around. With your broke ass.